1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila git at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to camouflage. Mactan Island we could not grab, 'cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bolos and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry." That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.
Dito sa pitong gatang, sa tabi ng huyan, mga kasaysayan na kung nalalaman. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan lang. Yuriyo, walang labis, walang kulang. May isang munting tindahan sa bukana ng huyan, at sa kanto ng kalye pitong gatang. Dito ay nag-uumpukan ang ilang bilyong tambay na walang hanap buhay kundi ganyan. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan lang. Yuriyo, walang labis, walang kulang. Ngunit bakit meron tao na katulad kong usyoso at sa buhay ng kapwa ay usisero? Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, malamang oras-oras ba sa gulo? Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan lang. Yuriyo, walang labis, walang kulang. Yororoleo, nareroleo, nareroleo, neredi. Yororoleo, nareroleo, nareroleo, neredi. Imposible ang maglihim kung ikaw ay mayroon sa pitong gatang lahat naririnig. Kung ibig mong mabuhay ng tahimik na tahimik, magpatay-patayang ka bawat saglit. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-usapan lang. Yuriyo, walang labis, walang kulang. Itong aking inaawit, ang tama ay huwag magalit. Yan may bunga nangyaring isip. Ang pitong gatang kailan may gunitang di mawawaglit. Taga rito ang aking iniibig. Yororoleo,
Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, dating queen from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we are 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan shore, Pimosa, fish, sugar, coconut, and corn. Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.